A pre-owned 2014 Nissan Armada Platinum. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 198,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.